In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for keyword research. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use Semrush can greatly enhance your SEO strategies and help drive more traffic to your website. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit the Semrush website. You can do this by simply typing in semrush.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the home page, and from here, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to set one up first to follow along with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On the left-hand menu, you'll notice a section labeled SEO. This is your entry point into the world of keyword research on Semrush. Click on this to expand the options available to you. Under the SEO section, you will find a few powerful tools that are essential for keyword research. These include the Keyword Overview, Keyword Magic Tool, and the Keyword Strategy Builder. Let's go through each of these briefly so you know what to expect. Starting with Keyword Overview, this tool allows you to instantly evaluate how challenging it might be to rank in the top 10 search results for a specific term. It's an excellent starting point to gather critical keyword metrics and insights, helping you determine the competitiveness and potential of your chosen keywords. Next up is the Keyword Magic Tool. This is a treasure trove for discovering keywords. It gives you access to millions of high-value keywords, from popular search terms to those elusive long-tail phrases. By using this tool, you can refine your keyword lists, uncover new opportunities, and ultimately boost your website's marketing performance. Finally, the Keyword Strategy Builder is where you can start crafting a comprehensive plan for your keywords. You have three options to consider: domain-based, seed keyword-based, and manual. Each approach allows you to tailor your strategy based on your unique needs and goals. For example, if you have a particular domain in mind, you can analyze it to identify which keywords are most effective for your competitors. Alternatively, with seed keyword-based strategies, you can build a plan starting from a core idea or word. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to navigate and utilize the keyword research tools available on Semrush. Remember, effective keyword research is a cornerstone of successful SEO, and with Semrush, you have a robust platform to help guide your efforts. So go ahead, explore these tools and start building a strategy that works for you. Thanks for watching, and happy keyword researching!